In the silent expanse above us lies a vast frontier that promises endless possibilities, space. Yet, with human ingenuity pushing the boundaries, we face an ominous challenge lurking in the cosmos, the Kessler Syndrome. This concept, introduced by NASA scientist Donald J. Kessler in 1978, describes a scenario where the density of objects in low Earth orbit is high enough that collisions between objects could cause a cascade, each collision generating space debris, increasing the likelihood of further collisions. If left unchecked, this cascading effect could render the space around our planet unusable, threatening both our technology and way of life. To better understand the potential devastation of the Kessler Syndrome, let's reference a gripping representation from the silver screen. The film Gravity. In this cinematic masterpiece, Sandra Bullock and George Clooney's characters find themselves stranded on a mission due to a rapidly expanding debris field caused by a satellite explosion. While the film portrays a fictional scenario, it draws attention to a very real risk. The destruction of a satellite could indeed trigger a chain reaction, turning orbit into a perilous junkyard. Currently, our daily lives depend heavily on the peaceful utilization of space. From weather forecasting and global communication to the navigation systems guiding us on Earth, much of our technology relies on satellites orbiting our planet. Imagine a world where these essential services are disrupted. Flights could be grounded, global communication severed, and GPS systems thrown into chaos. This isn't just science fiction, it's a potential reality if the Kessler Syndrome were to take hold. Our reliance on space hasn't gone unnoticed. Thousands of satellites, both operational and defunct, share this space with remnants of past missions. According to the European Space Agency, over 34,000 pieces of space debris larger than 10 centimeters are currently in orbit, moving at hypervelocities. A collision between even small pieces of debris can have catastrophic consequences. As more nations and commercial entities launch satellites, the risk of a domino effect increases exponentially. Efforts are being made to mitigate these risks. Organizations around the world are developing debris tracking systems and considering strategies to remove or deorbit defunct satellites. Concepts such as robotic arms, nets, and even laser systems have been proposed to tackle the growing debris problem. However, as the film Gravity emotionally depicts, even the best-laid plans can go awry in the vast and unpredictable environment of space. Given the high stakes, international collaboration is paramount. Nations must work together, not only to mitigate existing debris, but to establish sustainable practices for future launches. Spacefaring entities must commit to responsible behavior, ensuring that each mission considers the long-term implications on the orbital environment. While the threat is serious, it's not too late to act. Awareness is the first step in confronting the challenges posed by the Kessler Syndrome. By educating ourselves and supporting policies aimed at sustainable use of space, we can preserve the sanctity of this crucial frontier. As this narrative comes to an end, we urge you to reflect on the vastness above and its integral role in our everyday lives. Let's advocate for responsible space exploration and support initiatives that keep our orbits safe and operational. For more insights into the wonders and challenges of space, subscribe to our channel. Join us as we continue to explore the marvels of the universe and the innovations that keep us connected. Together, we can ensure a future where space remains a domain of opportunity and peace. Thank you for watching, and stay curious about the cosmos.